Assalamu alaikum class 9. In yesterday lecture we have read about the definition of matrix. A rectangular array of real numbers enclosed by brackets is called matrix, and you have to keep in your mind that brackets would be the square brackets. Then moving to the rows and columns of a matrix, I explained it in the detail that what is the row and what is the column of a matrix. Row going through the matrix horizontally is the row, and going through the matrix vertically is the column. Okay, after then we have discussed the order of the matrix, which is number of rows and number of columns. Then we have discussed the equality of the matrices. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the exercise 1.1. Okay, so it is the exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Find the order of the following matrices. We are going to find the order of the matrices. In matrix A, there are 4 entries: 2, -3, -5, 6. Sorry, 2, 3, -5 or 6. So, the order of this matrix would be 2 cross 2. How? Because it has 2 rows and 2 columns. B is the same as like A, 2, 0, 3, 5, 2 cross 2. If we go towards C, the order of this matrix is 1 cross 2 because it has only 1 row but 2 columns. The order of D, guess what? The order of D is 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 rows but 1 column. E, A, B, C, D, E, F. It has 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 and 2 columns. For F, one cross one, only 1 row and only 1 column. What about G? 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and 3 columns. And H, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 6. 2 rows and 3 columns. Don't forget that you have to mention the number of rows first and the number of columns next. Now we are going to do the question number 2, in which they have asked that which of the following matrices are equal. The first matrix A equals to 3. The second is 3, 5. The third is 5 minus 2, which can be written as 3 because 5 minus 2 always makes 3. Then D is 5, 3 and E is 4, 0, 6, 2. F is 2, 6. G is 3 minus 1 and 3 plus 3. So if we simplify it, then 3 minus 1 makes 2, 3 plus 3 makes 6. Age is 4062. The next one is I, which is equal to 3, 3 plus 2. If I simplify it, then I would be equal to 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Then it comes J. 2 plus 2, 2 minus 2, 2 plus 4 and 2 plus 0. If we simplify it, then the matrix would be 4, 0, 6 and 2. When we are going to do the simplification, if we are judging the equality of the matrices, then there would be the two conditions as I told you earlier. The first condition is the entries of the required matrix is equal, should be equal, and the second one is number of rows and number of columns should be equal. If you are seeing that A is equal to C, 1 cross 1, 1 cross 1, entries are equal, number of rows and columns are equal. Then by comparing, I can see that matrix B is equal to matrix I. Okay, so it has 1 row, 2 columns. It has 1 row, 2 columns. No, B and D cannot be equal. No, because it's 3 5 and it's 5 3. Okay, now E is equal to H and is equal to J. The same number of rows, the same numbers of column, and the entries are also exactly same. F is equal to G. 2 rows, 1 column. 2 rows, 1 column. Okay, all of them are done. Now we will move to the question number 3. Okay. What is mentioned in the question number 3? Find the values of A, B, C and D which satisfy the following matrix. Okay. The matrix is A plus C, C minus 1, A plus 2B, 4D minus 6. That would be equal to 0, 3, minus 7, 2D. Okay, compare the entries. The first one would be A plus C equals to 0. The second would be A plus 2B equals to minus 7. The third, C minus 1 equals to 3. And the fourth is 4D minus 6 is equal to 2D. How many equations are there? 4. Okay, from 3, C minus 1 equals to 3. C equals to 3 plus 1, which will be 4. From equation 4, 4D minus 6 equals to 2D. It means that 4D minus 2D minus 6 equals to 0. 2D minus 6 equals to 0. D equals to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. Okay. In the question they have said that we have to find A, B, C and D. All of the 4 values C and D are done. Now we are going to move towards A. If we put the value of C here, then we could easily find A in 1. A plus C equals to 0. A plus 4 equals to 0. A equals to minus 4. Now we will do B because only B is left. Equation 2 implies A plus 2B equals to minus 7. Instead of A, we will put minus 4, the value of A. Then you can easily find out minus 7 plus 4, and b equals to minus 3 by 2. So all of the 4 values are done. If you want to check it out, then you have to put the values in any one of these following equations. I'm going to check it. Let's do the check. I'm going to pick the equation number 1. Equation 1. A plus C equals to 0. The value of A is minus 4 and the value of C is 4. So you can see that minus 4 plus 4 gives us 0. So the values are correct. Thank you.